In this chat, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about installing a new gas line for your natural gas pool heater without turning your home's gas system into a disaster zone. Alright, so you've got a 30-year-old house with a pool, and you want to hook up a 250k BTU pool heater. Nice choice. That's a solid size for most pools if you're thinking about sun loading and all that. Your current gas load is about 350k BTU from your tankless water heater, 2 gas furnaces, and dryer, which means your total peak demand could hit around 600k BTU if everything runs at once. Here's the deal. The key is making sure your gas line and meter can handle that load without pressure dropping or shutting things down. Running a 1¼ inch pipe right off the meter sounds like what some plumbers suggest, but it's not always that simple. You gotta think about the pressure at the meter, 6-inch water column, that's standard, and how much volume your meter can actually supply. Calling PG&E was smart. They confirmed you have residential pressure around 1/4 psi, but meters have limits based on size and capacity. Usually, if you want to upgrade your meter size for higher flow, it's a bit of a process with the utility company and can cost some cash, like $3,500 or so for an increase project, which you haven't submitted yet. My advice? Don't just trust the last plumber who says it'll be fine, as long as the T is right at the meter. Because if that meter can't handle 600,000 BTUs, your system might choke when everything fires up. It's worth getting a detailed load calculation and maybe pushing PG&E for a meter upgrade quote or engineer review before installing. Also, make sure your gas regulator can handle combined loads. Sometimes they need upgrading too. One of the biggest mistakes I see with new gas line installs is underestimating your home's total gas demand, which leads to low pressure or unsafe conditions. Another common issue? Not consulting the utility early enough, so folks end up surprised by costs or delays when the meter needs upsizing. Lastly, people often forget about regulator capacity. Just because the line size is right doesn't mean the regulator will keep up with multiple appliances running together. The fix? Get a comprehensive load calculation, including all appliances, talk with your utility early to understand meter limits and upgrade costs, and confirm your regulator specs match your new total demand. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on gas line installs and upgrades. It also helps contractors find work nearby, so if you're thinking of getting bids or need help sorting through options, it's definitely worth checking out.